Victoria! Victoria, can you hear me? Victoria! Help me, help me, help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Go. I don't know what happened to her. Oh, please help. I don't want her to die, please.
What happened to her?
I found her in the forest. You know, we had agreed to meet up so that she would take me to her church. But I heard her scream. I ran into the forest. At first I didn't see her, and I saw her lying somewhere, you know. Vicky. Vicky. Can you hear me? Vicky. Can you hear me? Vicky, can you? Listen. Can you hear me? Listen, please. Vicky. Vicky. Vicky.
Jesus!
Jesus. Vicky, relax.
What am I doing here?
I'm here. I'm here.
Who brought me here? What am I doing here?
I found you lying lifeless in the bush. So I decided to bring you to the ACM more of our community to see how we can help you. Calm down.
Please calm down. I will administer some herbs to ease the pains.
God forbid. God forbid. God forbid.
Mary, come.
God forbid. God forbid.
She run into. It's fine, there's a more.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.